Good morning, everybody. We're leaving town now, and we're going camping.
You can see everything in the back of our vehicle.
It's stuffed. I think we're going, what was it, Maumee Bay?
Yeah.
It's by Lake Erie. I haven't been there in years. Well, it's been a while. So we're going to check it out again. They're calling for 70% chance of rain. So we're going to try and put up between raindrops, or maybe it won't rain, but we'll see. But that's what they're calling for. So when we get there, hopefully it's not raining, we can put up and start getting things going. And we're going to get down the road, and we will catch up with you here and take a few pictures here and there. And you'll know when we're there. We'll talk to you in a bit. Thanks.
Bye.
Well, we're here, and here she comes. This is the boss. We're going to be dodging raindrops. So we're going to get to the campsite here in a few minutes.
It's a done deal.
Okay. All right. I'm going to go in here and see where we're at.
Something yet.
It's got to be right here. What is it?
255.
Must be the camp host.
Yeah.
This must be it right here. I don't know. 255, yep. Here it is, right here on the left. And here we are, right here. And we got the easy up, the tent up over there. We got our pumpkins. So now we're going to, I think we're just gonna settle in here for a little bit, and we're gonna get something to drink, and we'll be right back to you. Hey, you guys.
Hello.
Hey, we're just drinking this little bit here. And
We're doing the step 2, like everyone
some
says.
smash red, white, and berry. So it's pouring down rain. Well, starting to. It ain't really pouring yet, but it's out there.
We got everything set up. Sorry we didn't show everybody that, but we didn't know how the rain was going to be.
And it was coming down.
When we got here, it started to rain, and
we were putting it up in between raindrops, trying to hurry. So we're up now. Now we're going to deal with the wind. But in a little while here, we're going to probably maybe after 6, it says it might slow down. So what we might do is we're going to make some steak sandwiches. Is it French dip sandwiches?
Yeah.
Yeah, some French dip sandwiches. And we'll go from there. All right, we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. If anything drastic happens, we'll be trying to video it. So
For sure.
So right now, we're going to settle in, have a drink here, and we got to organize the tent still, and we'll probably take you in there with us.
Yeah,
and,
we'll show you the inside. I just threw everything in there. We just got to get everything set up.
I just got splashed now. So anyhow, and we'll be back to you guys in a little bit. Oh, guys, everybody, we're inside our tent, and this is our mess that we got right here. And we are going to put it all together, and we'll show you what it looks like. Now, we don't have any lamps and little tables and end tables and all that like a couple other people we know. but we'll show you what it's all like.
But it's raining. We thought we'd kill time, come in here and fix it up.
So we'll get right back to you in a few minutes here. Well, a little longer than a few minutes. All right. Well, here's our campsite. Another view of it. Yeah, it's not bad. It's drizzling still, but you gotta make what you can make of it, I guess. I gotta work on the kayak trailer, probably when we get home, and I'm gonna put loops that are gonna come up here on the like the steel cables right here that I can put the bungee cords over the kayaks, and I'll probably put a video out there with that. And then I got to work on the car. The track stabilizer, I believe, light came on, so the speed sensors on the front wheels might be throwing a code. I got to change those possibly. So it just never ends with Chevrolet. Probably with any car, there's always some situation that you got to deal with, but never had the best luck with Chevy. I'm gonna go over here, finish up my drink, and we're gonna probably split some wood later here and get a fire going and stuff. As long as we know that it's gonna quit raining here. We got an open spot coming probably around 6 or 7, so we'll see how that works out. We'll talk to you guys in just a bit.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yay, the rain stopped a little bit. Whether it did or not, I was going to have to walk down here. What's a girl to do?
Well, it's sprinkling still, but you know what?
You just make the best of it. That's all you can do.
We got the tent organized. I don't have it like it should be, but we got it organized right this second. So there's another round of showers coming, but later we can at least go inside, cook some food, make some French dip sandwiches, and then we can see how it is with the rain then. But we'll get back to you soon. And bathrooms at this campground, nice. Showers look the same. All right, we're on our way back.
Go blue!
Oh no. So, we're gonna go back here. Look at the clouds up there. Oh, it's crazy looking.
Right. We're just making the best of it.
Yep. And it's not
you
really.
can't predict the weather when you're going camping. Whether you got a camper or tent, whatever, you just deal with it.
It's not extremely cold. It's, what is it, 57 degrees out?
Yeah. I mean, it might get a little brisk later.
But the wind's not blowing, and that's what helps a lot.
Right.
So it's decent out. Still in shorts. Just got a lightweight jacket on, t-shirt on. So we'll catch up with you in a little bit. And thanks for following along. I mean, please, if you like this video so far or like the other one that we put out, please like and subscribe. It helps us grow the channel. You know, we're just starting out right now, and I'm doing all this on my phone. We want to do more kayaking and fishing, possibly ice fishing, hiking in the winter.
We were going to bring the kayaks, but didn't know how the rain would have been. And
we could have kayaked in the rain. It's just that we don't have a lot of time, right?
Right.
So
for more than 2 days, it's easier to do some other stuff.
Right. So we're only doing this for an evening, or a night, I should say.
Right.
So we're going to see how this all works out, and we'll get back to you soon. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
I don't have a nice base to split it on, but we're going to do it anyhow. Should have brought a stump with us to, you know, do it anyhow. I'm going to baton some of these down. Nice one. never hold this with your fingers. Trust me. All right. And this basically just gives a, you can do it this way, you know, or you can slide the knife back and forth a little bit, like that. Or you can also, if I had a log here and really put it in there, you can go back and forth on it. But this would be a good one to start it. All right, we're gonna get this fire going with a ferro rod. So we're gonna put it down here. And what you want to do is you always, there's my feather piece of wood. So you're going to want to get this in here like this. Hopefully this starts. Okay, I'm going to get this meat going. See what we got here. Amy's gonna help me out here. We don't need that, so we can put that away somewhere.
All right,
honey.
set it aside and I'll grab it in a minute here.
And we are gonna get these opened up. Actually, I gotta wipe this stuff off. Let's wipe this stuff out. Alrighty. There's that. I'll lay these in here. And we're gonna open up the other one. Lay this one in here. Alright, so we're gonna put these in here in the iron skillet. I was gonna put it over the fire, but I think we're just gonna cook them in the iron skillet and then cut them up right in there while we're doing this. So it'll work a little faster that way. Put a little garlic on them. And let's see. You know what else I need?
What?
I'll just use my knife.
Oh, a butter knife or something.
Well, not a butter knife. We need some butter, but I just need to wipe that off. And let's see. Put that over there. We can put some pepper on these bad boys. Gotta put some pepper on. I'm gonna put a little Lari's instead of regular salt on these, like I usually do at home. And that's it. And then we're gonna call that. And then this ain't very good.
So have to make sure we have everything we need. How long does it have to cook for?
Just boil for a little bit.
Oh, okay. Well, we can put that on a little bit.
Should have put down a towel on the there,
table,
but we didn't.
It would have blown away.
All right, we're gonna stoke this fire up a little more. Get this stuff cooking away here. I gotta put some things back, and we get all done here with cooking it, and I'll get back to you soon here. I hope. If it isn't pouring down rain. All right, we'll get back to you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Had to put it down in the coals a little bit. And we'll be flipping them here in a minute. Make them medium rare. Oh, it's looking good. I took the meat off already. And we got the aju juice down there, cooking away. Bring it to a boil. And no more real dark clouds. So, all right, looks like our food's done. We're gonna cut this thing up, and then we'll pour out some of the juice, and then we're gonna get the bread cut up. Yeah, I'll just cut it up in this, I guess.
You want a plate?
Nah, that's the word.
I can give you the plate.
It will work.
God, it looks delicious.
Two. And then 4. Cut these open a little bit. And we are going to lay these on the fire just to get them warmed up. They're a little cold because they're supposed to be toasted a little bit.
Close the lid for you.
Alrighty.
I put the
Let's get out there and get that on there. I gotta get my light on.
I got
And-
the lid down.
And you got the grate down.
Yep.
And we get them on the fire like that. We're gonna flip them around and we'll be right back when we make them. Alrighty, gonna make some sandwiches here. We're gonna put this on top of the juice. I'm gonna correct that here. We're gonna put a little juice onto the bread. Just soften the bread up a little bit. But I'm gonna put these on there like that. Guys, there's one for you. Did you want one? Okay. Well, she missed out on that. So anyhow. So here you go. Jeez.
Oh my God, that tastes wonderful.
Okay.
That's good, honey.
How it is or not. And we're gonna set this foil back on it, guys. Leave it going this way. Put a glove on that. We got a little dipping sauce. And let's see what it tastes like. That's what it looks like. Not bad. Well, we're gonna finish up eating this stuff, you guys, and we won't bore you with that. And then we'll get back to you in a little bit. Well, guess what? We ate the sandwiches, and now we're making some pork chops. So they look pretty good. We'll see how they taste here in a few. All right, we got the lights on the canopy, and the sky's looking a little dark. And we got our pork chops on the fire. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. We're settling down to a nice fire now. A little chilly.
You think?
Yeah, turn my light off. So anyhow,
I got my several coats on, and I got a,
you can't even
a
see her.
scarf on.
So we ate our sandwich, some pork chops. I guess a bunch of protein. We didn't eat no vegetables or anything else, but we were just putting up camp trying to dodge raindrops. So now it's all blowed over, but it's still gloomy out. But
It's windy and chilly.
oh well. We're gonna go in the tent a little bit, turn the heater on, and chill out, maybe play some cards or something like that. What do you think?
I'll probably crash.
Just crash out? Yeah. In the morning, I think we're gonna try and cook up some eggs. Try and make a decent breakfast. I know we've been having Pop-Tarts lately, but we'll see what the weather brings, because they're not calling for real good weather tomorrow morning either. So, and I know we need to just deal with it, but if it's pouring down rain, you know, we'll see what we got. We'll just see as it goes. But anyhow, there's some nice hiking trails. We'll maybe try and get out by the lake and take some pictures out that way, so on and so forth. So maybe we'll take a hike through the woods and see some fall colors and stuff like that. What do you think about that?
That's fine.
Yeah.
Just bundle up.
Bundle up. I think it's going to be a little windy along the lake, so our leaves in our yard, all these cottonwoods have been dropping leaves since early September, and I've been mowing it, trying to keep them off the yard, but waiting for them to dry up or when we have a nice day. I wanted to take you guys along and do some fall pike fishing, but it just seemed like the weather hasn't cooperated, and I'm not going to go out in the boat and fish in the rain. I mean, if I get stuck out in the boat in the rain, that's a different story, but to go out and to do it, so, you know, that's the way
It
it
gives
goes.
me the chills just thinking about it.
Well, there's some good pike fishing up north here. And this and that.
The lake.
But we're in a good area for nighttime walleye fishing right now. And we usually do that. We get a little more time, we could have done that. And we got the rest of the month too. So we'll see how that works out. Maybe we can get out there and do that. So we're going to call it a night. And we're going to sit here and try and enjoy the fire just for a little bit. And then we're going to turn around and probably call it a night to go inside. So, what time we got to get out of here tomorrow, though? 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to get out of here by 1. So we got to get stuff going and rolling beforehand. So also it'll be an early morning. So, all right, guys. Thanks for following along. And we'll see you in the morning.
See
Right.
ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, everybody. We're in the tent. We're in the Halloween tent. Spooky. So we are gonna go to bed, and sort of looks scary, doesn't it? Ooh. So anyhow, we're gonna go to bed. And we'll see you in the morning. It's getting windy out really bad.
Yeah.
All right. We'll talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful morning. Blue skies, chilly, sun's just coming up. T is still sleeping, but she's getting up soon. It's about 8 o'clock, 8:15, something like that. I think it's probably about 40 degrees. So I'm gonna get some coffee going and get this stuff out of the car and get some coffee going. We'll get right back here. in a minute. Good morning, everybody. We're in the tent. Made some coffee and stuff, and getting tea up here. And
Jeez, my hair. I had a hat on.
so we made some coffee, and gonna get around here and going to go out and make some breakfast. Probably some eggs and bacon and some hash browns. So come on along and we'll get out there and get that going. I already got a fire going. Tried to warm up the camp a little bit there. So we're gonna get out and about. We'll see you in a bit.
Bye. home and, yeah.
Dished up some breakfast, and the only thing we don't have is toast, but oh well. All right.
I'll slide this out of the way for you.
Oh, you're all good. Oh,
Good.
is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Put a little hot sauce on her.
Probably cools off quick because it's cold outside, though. Oh, well.
How he does this way.
Yeah.
Put it in a tortilla shell. Make some breakfast.
Y'all can do what you can do.
It should be all pretty warm. Should be. You know?
Yeah, but it's cool out, so it's like...
I'm gonna have a little egg, a little this, a little that here. You want one?
No.
Put a little bacon on it. You want some?
Mm-mm.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm good. I just need a little bit more ketchup on it.
Oh,
Taters.
she's a ketchup lady.
I used to put
All right,
ketchup
cheers,
on my
everybody.
eggs.
Oh.
I used to. Used to put ketchup on my eggs.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why I used to do that. I don't know if it's because I seen someone do that or what.
Well, we're gonna heat this up. You don't need to see us feeding our faces, but we're gonna eat this up, and then I don't know. We'll get back to you in a little bit here. Oh no, she found books.
In the playground.
You want me to sit here while you play?
Yeah. I'll go play. I want to go climb.
You might get stuck in the slide right there in that tube, the caterpillar.
The caterpillar? Yeah. Emma didn't want to crawl through that. Try to get her. But...
I'm gonna walk down this way, see what's going on. It hasn't rained yet. It's supposed to.
Our walk from the potty.
She always worries about where the potty is.
Well, you
I
know,
understand. It's easier for us guys.
You
But
may have an emergency. You know what I mean?
yeah.
You don't want to have a blowout or anything. Well, I'm sure it's happened to people.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, these are nice over here. These are all kind of...
Secluded, sort of nice. I like this one right here. This is the one right here.
We'll take a...
Grounds level, fire pits towards the back. This is
These are nice.
This is 150 and you're overlooking the lake in the back. Take a walk over by the lake, I think. All this is just a short walk from our campsite.
Right.
That was sort of crazy.
We could have walked all around here and fished.
I'll have to remember that next time, huh?
Yeah.
Had to make a pit stop. Tammy's going back to the tent. It's starting to rain. And I tried to walk off some of our breakfast a little bit. Looked at the lake, looked at some other spots for next time. We're gonna start packing up and get out of here. We got about 45 minutes to pack up. We sort of pushed it a little bit this morning, and unfortunately tomorrow it's supposed to be a nice day. So, well, yeah, that's what they say. It could change again, like it's been changed. All right, well, I'm back at the tent. We're gonna pack up. You can hear it raining on the awning. We got about, like I said, 45 minutes or so to get out of here. We pushed it toward the end here. Tried to walk off some of our breakfast, walked around the lake, found some nice spots we can fish and ride the bikes and stuff. So this summer, you know, this coming spring or something like that, we'll have to come back. But unfortunately, it's raining. It's supposed to be nice, and we got to get out of here. So you guys take care. If you like, please subscribe. Leave comments down there what you want to see and things that help us out, because we're just starting this channel and we want to do more. And we want to, you know, show a lot more and hopefully do a lot more that people want to see. So
we were hoping to do a lot more at this time, but it's hard to do between the raindrops and everything.
The rain's falling down. The rain again. So, like I said, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up anyhow. And we'll try and get better and better as we go. And we're going to get a better camera and so on and so forth. So you guys be safe. And thanks for watching. And
take care and God bless.
And we'll see you on the next adventure.